What's up everyone? Viet Packy here. Welcome back to Vietnam. (25th) around 1:26 p.m. we are at this cafe called Rainforest. As you can see, the place is really big and really jungle-like. I'm here with She and Leon. Just ordered breakfast here. This is mine. With the bread. Is that mine? Yep. And then this cafe. Here's Leon's club sandwich. Club. What's the name of this cafe again? Rainforest.
Rainforest Cafe.
Rainforest Cafe. Almost like the similar name to the one in Vancouver, BC, the one that shut down in Metrotown. So here's the iced coffee. It's really interesting because here's the iced coffee and here's the ice that's made of coffee. And what we do is we mix this one up, mix up the condensed milk with the coffee, and then pour it into this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this up. Just recording. So we mix it up, see? Mix up all of the condensed milk into the coffee. Make sure it's all stirred, blended well, and then what I do is, see, it's just a big ice ball of coffee. Pour it into here. Look at that. Then, just have a sip and enjoy it. The three of us ended up switching spots just because it's easier and closer to us to eat. The table's closer to us. This is the ba ka, which is like a beef stew. She ordered that. How is it, Leon? Good shiznit? Yeah. And then here's mine. Can't wait to eat this. So you can see the eggs, tomato, mushroom, hash brown, bacon, whoops, I can't eat that, and then a hot dog and some kind of beans. It's good. Over here they're making ice cream. So that platform is really cold, and then what they do is they put any kind of liquid over it, and as it gets cold they scrape it off with those utensils to make it into ice cream. And over here, when you come down the stairs, you have the choice of going down the stairs or going down the slide. And it goes into the sand once you reach the ground, and it has this barrier so you don't fall, or you don't fall over into the water. lie down in this net. Maximum of 2 people are allowed in this net. However, right now it's under maintenance. If you're in the area of Nha Trang, check out Rainforest Cafe. I highly recommend this slide.